Okay, today I'm going to post an update on my gas fridge. I plan to make this video over 2 days. Today is the day I got this fridge. In my last video of this fridge, you saw me hook up the fridge to this propane tank. Well, the gas flame is still burning, and it's been burning for about an hour or two, maybe 3, and it's still going strong. And I've put a container full of water in the ice tray, or in the ice compartment, and it's starting to freeze. Okay, now we'll wait 24 hours and see what that ice looks like after 24 hours and see how cold the fridge gets. Also, this fridge has no moving parts, so it doesn't have a compressor or anything like that. How it works is the gas flame boils some ammonia in this boiler thing right here, and then these coils condense the ammonia back down to a liquid, and then it boils again and condenses, and that's how it works. Okay, it's been about 4 hours since I showed you the ice last time. Here is the ice now. It's frozen solid. And you can see the frost on this. And here is the flame, which is still running off of propane. Okay, it is the next day. It's about 8:19 a.m. And I have just woken from my sleep. I'm going to head out to the garage and show y'all the gas refrigerator today. Okay, here we go. That is frost. And I put some water in here, and it is frozen solid. My fingers are sticking to this metal, it's so cold.